So today we're gonna be harvesting potatoes, and these are our raised beds over here. So like you see, we have 2 raised beds over here. So we're gonna try to harvest potatoes. And you see, like the stems like this, they're already dying. You know it's ready underneath. You can harvest them at that time. So we're gonna go ahead and just start harvesting. Hello. So today we're gonna be harvesting our potatoes from this raised bed. The potatoes are ready to be harvested. Whenever you see your potatoes changing leaves like this and the stems are turning different colors, you know it's time to be harvested. It's ready for it to be harvested. You can also check by just digging a little bit and seeing how much potatoes you have at the bottom on any one of them, and then you will know if it's ready or not. So we're gonna start by dig one side and take everything out, and then move the soil to the other. The reason I'm doing this right now, as opposed to leaving it for a couple of more weeks, is I want to plant something else in this bed once I take it out. Now it's August, so once I take everything out, I'm gonna plant huckleberries in here. That should give me at least 2 months to be able to grow something in here and be able to harvest something else in here. So let's get started. Let's start digging. You can start by either pulling it out. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult. You can pull it out, or you can dig the soil a little bit out to make it easy for you to get it out. So if I had a lot of space over here and this raised bed wasn't too heavy, I would tilt it over and get everything out. But that's gonna be a lot of lifting that I don't want to do today. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dig and see what we have for the potatoes. Okay, we got something. Now looking like this thing is Okay, we are done. I'm done taking out all the potatoes in this small raised bed. All the potatoes are out, and this is what I got. I got half a 5-gallon bucket of potatoes in this small raised bed right here. So, which is not too bad. At least it's a good harvest. So definitely, this one over here, this other raised bed over here, I'm gonna harvest it a couple of weeks later on from now, because I planted them like a couple of weeks after this one. So I'll give this one about 2-3 weeks before I harvest these ones over here. But as you can see, quite a lot of potatoes for a small area like this. And I like I said, I planted 2 varieties. I'll put the link to the video that I made on how to grow in a raised bed like this, how I did everything. I'll put that video and the other video in this series. There's a series. This is the 3rd video. So definitely not a bad harvest. At least this should be able to eat a couple of days with this. Should be able to do quite a few. So hopefully that helps you out. If you have any questions or comments about growing potatoes or any other videos that we've covered, so just write it in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many questions about it as possible. Hopefully this helps you out. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I know that you like watching the videos, so that I can keep producing them. But just make sure you hit the subscribe button, so that I know that I can continue doing this, and you guys will continue watching it. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.